Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're making Hawaiian barbecue tacos. This is a recipe that we've had around forever, and I just started remaking it again, and it is so yummy and so simple. It's really simple. You have to have crumbled tempeh. We're going to crumble that. Some tamari, some barbecue sauce, lettuce, and pineapple. And then cilantro if you want to use it, and then soft taco shells or crispy taco shells that you've made by crisping them up. And we have a video about how to make things crisp. We can post that video name for you up in the corner here. But if you're going to cook with us today, it's in Plant Strong on page 191. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is what Ann's taking off here doing. We're going to crumble all our tempeh. Tempeh comes in a sort of a cake like this, and you just crumbled up so it's kind of like crumbled.
You see the little soybeans stuck on something
Here,
in there.
Yeah, Wade, can you see my hand? Can you tempeh is just like fermenting soybeans. Okay, so we're gonna do a little high-speed crumble here. Okay, so we have all this crumbled, which is the key first move. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put this on the stove over medium-high heat. Our stove is goes 1 to 10, and we have it around a 6.5 right now. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons of tamari on this to sort of give it a little bit of flavor, because tempeh and tofu are just tasteless. They adopt any flavor around them. So let's go put this on the stove over here.
They absorb the flavor of whatever you want them to.
Yeah, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons. Put 2 tablespoons of. So we've got some crumble we didn't get to, and 2 tablespoons in there, and have it just cook up. And then, once this cooks up, do we have the red spatula? There it is. Once this cooks up a little bit, we're going to add barbecue sauce to it. So just choose your favorite barbecue sauce. Try to find one that doesn't have any high fructose corn syrup, ideally. And if you like hickory flavor, that's fine. If you like a sweet flavor. I once heard someone named Karen, who's a pro about barbecue. She grew up clearly somewhere south of Cleveland, but she knows about barbecue sauce, and she said either they're sweet or they're, is it vinegar or acid? Karen, I can't remember. Oh my gosh. Someone will know in the comments, please. And I definitely think I like things on the sweet side, but she said, oh no, this isn't the sweet sauce. So whatever sauce you prefer, sweet, acid, or vinegary, or whatever the other category is, choose your own. And was that a little warmed up, Mommy?
No, not too.
All right, I'll put it up to 7. So we are going to add our barbecue sauce to that, coat it up, and we'll be right back when we have a little bit of a coated tempeh crumble going for you. I don't know if you can hear this sort of sizzling, but this is hot now. Get your barbecue tempeh crumble really kind of warm and sizzly and yummy, and then you're ready to make your tacos. Simply going to take, let me get my spoon.
Here, got it.
Oh, the tove lo for everything. Load this up.
How many?
A little bit more. And then you add some pineapple, some lettuce, and some cilantro, and you've got your soft Hawaiian barbecue taco. It's going to open up wide when we put it there. So we have cilantro, romaine, pineapple, and barbecue tempeh taco. So this can go side by side. If we get a third one in there, it might look like pretty to you. Here. It's not. It's going to have to have a third one there as a bookend. So, barbecue tempeh crumble, pineapple, romaine strips.
Jane, could you do this on crispy tacos?
Yeah, I said that in the beginning. If you want to make them crispy, go ahead. We wanted to just get the filling for you, because just take these and hang these in your oven rack like this on the rack itself, and toast them like this, and they come out just like this, and they're pre-formed. But these are...
What is revolutionary is crumbling up this tempeh so that you have this absolutely amazing foundation
and if
for
you
these
don't,
tacos.
if you didn't want barbecue sauce on this, because for some people this is just too sweet. You know, the barbecue sauce and the pineapple, like that's just a lot. But you could do other things.
Well, you could just do a little tamari.
Just, yeah, and we actually add some rice in this. Rice would give a little more heft to this. All right, let's get Wade in here to try this. Wade, here, I'm going to make you a little plate. I'm going to make him two. We have two, okay? Oh, man. All right. Yeah.
Wade's getting full.
He is. Do you, I was going to say...
Do you want me to do one?
No, I want you to take whatever you want. I wanted to make it look pretty when I gave it to you.
Oh.
There you go. Okay. Cheers, Mommy. Wait, hey, cheers. Oh,
Oh,
cheers.
oh!
Here, you take this. You take,
Wait,
the,
wait.
you take the plate. You take the plate.
You know
take
what?
The plate. You take the plate.
Mine has a hole in my
Okay.
my skin. Oh my gosh. Mine has collapsed, but
Yummy.
oh, so good.
Yes.
That's a mess.
Mine's holding fine. Hers fell in half. Okay. This is yummy.
I had a bad taco. Oh, it's so good. And the bite of pineapple is delicious.
It's refreshing and just this highlight.
With the
All right.
with a taste of the barbecue. What is that?
Tempeh.
Okay.
All right. Hey, enjoy your Hawaiian barbecue tacos.
Mine,
Hopefully
I
this
have
spring.
to eat with a fork
You
or
do.
my fingers.
You do. Thanks.